Welcome to another child-proofing safety tip from Dreambaby. You know, toddlers love to explore, especially in the kitchen. Today we're going to take a look at a fantastic way to secure your cabinet doors and drawers quickly and easily. Dreambaby's twin pin latches are a simple, easy way to keep your cabinet drawers and doors child-proof. Let's take a look. The twin latches provide easy access for adults but are difficult for children to open. Simply slide the door or drawer slightly open, squeeze the hooks together, and pull. To close, simply shut the door or drawer and it conveniently locks automatically. It's suitable for cabinets, drawers, or drawers that have a top divider to fit the catch. Another simple way Dreambaby helps keep your children safer and puts your mind at ease.